So I made an informational video about SF Tech Week.
I just made my 30-second pitch video for my startup.
I wanted to reintroduce myself on Instagram.
I think it's a great plan. Yes, like that. Right? Still the highest engagement video that I ever made was one about like what I look for when I'm interviewing candidates. That's just because I've interviewed hundreds and hundreds of people throughout my career. So that's expertise that I have.
I'm doing a lot of content creation. It's really cool to see a tool that's so easy to use.
I recorded my video in Spanish and I was able to add captions in English.
It's such like a low barrier to entry.
I'm not of the savvy generation that we have now of TikTok.
It's like a Google Doc. So it's just deleting what you want to have in the video, your all those things.
And my video will show up here on the right. This will soon transcribe and show my script that I can start to edit.
Now I feel like I can actually do 90% of what I need to do on Descript. And also knowing that like behind the fancy brand that y'all have, it's a bunch of really nice people.
Nice office and nice people, and I've learned so much.